Welcome back to Step Into Fear. My name is Aries, and in this video, you're gonna see me approach a Latina straight from the motherland, aka straight from Mexico. And you're gonna tell because she doesn't really speak much English. So that being said, let's get right into the video. Excuse me. Sorry. That's really cute. You're welcome. What's your name? Okay. It's your mom?
Oh my god!
Sister?
My cousin. You just broke my heart.
I'm sorry. I meant sister, that's what I meant to say. I've actually made this mistake in the past as well, where I assumed that the woman that she's with is her mom. And guys, I'm gonna tell you right now, don't do that. You will offend the woman if it is not actually her mom. But I'm sorry, man. Like, some of these women, like, they really be looking like the mom. Like, they're just maybe a little bit more overweight, a little bit older. I just automatically assume it's a mom. But if you don't want to, run into that situation, be like, oh, is this your friend? Is this your sister? If you do that, then you won't offend the girl. I will say though, I did a good job at being grounded, staying calm, and then keeping the interaction going and not staying stuck on that topic. My name is Aris. Are y'all just shopping? Y'all are just shopping, or like what are y'all up to?
We're just walking around.
Really? Y'all are not like shopping for anything? I feel that same. I'm window shopping. Do you have Instagram?
Yeah.
So the reason why she's not really responding to me, or you don't hear her talking that much, because as I said, she does not really understand what I'm saying. So she has to ask the girl next to her what I'm saying, and then she'll understand. So now I'm about to get her Instagram.
Creo que no quiere cargar.
Do you understand a lot of English or no? Más o menos?
Un poquito más español.
Okay, maybe you can teach me. Enséñame español. Yo enseño inglés.
Okay.
Cool. All right, have a nice day.
Thank you.
So just looking at that interaction, it was nothing special, nothing crazy, but guess what? When I hit this girl up, super responsive, hitting me up, multiple texts in a row, super interested. I just have a few key fundamentals down and it works. And if you want to join a brotherhood of men, you actually want to take action and implement the things that I teach. We're gonna what?
We're gonna make a baby.
Even though I've never met you.
Yes, we're gonna do it.
Why are you so confident?